For Daniel Sanchez, an Austin police officer charged with deadly conduct. No word on when he'll be taken to court again after a judge declared a mistrial yesterday. The officer shot and killed 33-year-old Rajan Munasinga in 2022 after reports Munasinga was walking around his South Austin home with a rifle.
KXAN public safety reporter Brianna Hollis takes an in-depth look at how other high-profile use of force cases made their way through the criminal justice system in Travis County.
When District Attorney Jose Garza ran for office, one of his platforms was promising a stricter criminal review into law enforcement use of force cases. Some critics say they believe that resulted in some wrongful criminal accusations. The first major batch of indictments were in relation to the 2020 protests. In 2022, 21 officers were indicted related to injuries sustained by protesters. The DA's office called those injuries, quote, serious and significant. But the next year, the DA's office dropped the charges against 17 of those officers. Per previous KXAN reporting, these protest injuries also resulted in about $16 million of lawsuit settlement money. The last officer on trial in Travis County was former APD officer Christopher Taylor. His murder case related to the 2020 deadly shooting of Michael Ramos consisted of 2 mistrials in 2023. First, there was an issue with jury selection. The next time around, jurors couldn't reach a unanimous decision. A subsequent grand jury no-billed the case, and those murder charges went away. Last year, in a separate case, a jury found Taylor guilty of deadly conduct in the deadly 2019 shooting of Maurice Da Silva. Taylor is currently out on an appellate bond, and his proceedings are now taking place in Lubbock, according to court records. Just this year, 2 now former APD officers pleaded guilty to misdemeanor assault charges. Their names are Brian Yarger and Alejandro Gaitan. Both of these uses of force happened during arrests. And jurors acquitted an officer in an official oppression case in 2022, as well as 2 former Williamson County deputies in a manslaughter case in 2024. In Austin, Brianna Hollis, KXAN News.